What is going on, guys? You all know what time it is. Don't mind my gloves. It's Jay, by the way. And finally, after waiting for a few days, this pair came. Bang, bang. The new Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the linen colorway. So sorry, I need to remove my gloves because it's so uncomfortable. Anyways, I grabbed this pair from Adidas last Saturday, but it only came today. I understand why. Actually, it's good. I have no issue, so shout out to Adidas for that. And kudos for giving me something to talk about. So with that being said, let's continue with this pair. To be honest, I was really anticipating on this pair. I don't know what it is, but there is something with this colorway. For those who don't know, linen is a textile made from the fibers of the flax plant. So I believe that this colorway was inspired by the weather. It's already summer, and you know what I mean. You will get it. So without further ado, let's diss the talking and let's go for the unboxing. Let's get through the box. So, same old 350s on top, Boost is written on the side, and Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, of course. And what do we have over here? Sales details. So, let's slide this thing up and let's take out the pair. I was shocked when I see this pair. It takes 3 minutes for me to realize the color and proceed to the video. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with this shoe. It's still a nice looking colorway, but it's a lot more yellow than I expected. It doesn't look the same in the photo when they market this colorway. And to be honest, I'm expecting more likely like tan. Well, it is what it is. It's already here. Pretty much we can't do anything about it. I still love it though. So let's get this thing rolling. Let's start with the upper. The majority of the upper of this sneaker are made up of a standard Yeezy prime knit that we usually see on all the recent 350 V2 releases. And the whole upper comes with a cream yellow upper that pretty much resembles to a butter. Now let's go to the side of the shoe. We got this ice blue metallic 3M stripe that continue to move around up to the heel area in the lateral side of the sneaker, then stop abruptly on the medial side. And on the other side of the sneaker, you have this plain cream yellow prime knit on the side. And now, we got this yellow or linen colored rope laces, which are pretty much you'll get on all standard Yeezy 350 V2s. And around the top of the ankle, we got this ice blue or sky blue colored lining, which really complements the color of the sneaker. Then moving inside of the sneaker, we have the same ice blue or sky blue color with the Adidas 3 stripes on the heel. And the insole, it got an Adidas and Yeezy branding logo in the same color. Continuing to the midsole of the shoe, we got this signature 350 V2 midsole in a translucent cream buttery yellow. And of course, inside of the midsole, we got the full length Boost midsole, which makes this shoe very comfortable. And of course, lastly, we got this lightly gum-colored rubber outsole that wraps up until the heel. Well, pretty much that's about it. I hope I covered all the details of this pair. Now, I want to know your thoughts on this pair. Comment on the comment box down below. Are you guys gonna drip it, flip it, or skip? Seeing this pair makes me want to keep it, but it's not my size. Maybe I'm gonna trade it to my size. We'll see how it goes. I'm really into this colorway. The sky blue part of color in this sneaker complements the creamy buttery yellow upper. That I think makes this sneaker very interesting. Now, before I end this video, I'm gonna show you the final look of this pair. But before that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please watch my previous videos that I uploaded recently. Please give it a thumbs up, give me a comment, or even ask me what's up. So again, thank you so much guys for supporting me. Please give it a like, subscribe, and do me a favor by pressing the bell button, so on that way you'll be notified if I have a new upload. So again, it's Jay by the way. Thank you for watching, stay blessed, and let's get it.